All right, done with another caulk job. Look at that. Came out really nice, but you have about 60% of a tube left. How do you keep it from drying out? You know, you can use nails, you can use screws, you can use wire and nuts. I've seen all sorts of things that just don't work. I've got a foolproof way that will keep this for 6 months to a year. So what you do is you get yourself some of this, which is just some electrical shrink wrap with glue. This is 1/2 inch. Cut yourself off a decent piece. I'd say about 2.5 inches. Then you take your caulk tube, put it over the end like this, snug it right in there like that. And then you can use a heat gun. I just happen to be in the kitchen. So just heat her up a little bit, like so. Nice and easy, don't catch it on fire. Nice and easy, nice and easy, nice and easy. And then you can delicately crimp the end with your fingers. It's warm, but it's not super duper hot. And I tell you what, let me turn this off. I tell you what, as long as you pinch that seal shut right there on the end, right here, you will have a very, it's like a hermetic seal. The glue will not, it'll semi-adhere to this. You just twist it with a pair of pliers and it pops right off and you're gonna be ready to go with some more caulk. There it is. Hap for Hap around the house. If you liked the video, consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.